guys, this is Weekend BMX Manu, and today we are doing we're doing a bike check actually. What I have here is, I recommend this bike to you. I have a Camp Freestyle. It's actually a really good bike. If you're a skater like me, I skate also, but I'm more of a BMXer. I'd recommend if you get something from Walmart and something dumb like that, I'd recommend a Kryptonics. But yeah. So today I am going to show you how I have my bike, and basically I have all of my left pegs off. I'm ambidextrous, but I usually go with my right when I grind. But if you guys worry about why those marks are there, it has they have to kind of implant it and into the. You have to implant the peg into it a little bit. So don't worry about that. Everybody has those. I always have my right pegs on. I've lowered my seat down. I took off. I only have that little piece right there on, because my friend Titus, he went and rammed into the back of it with my old bike, and he went and broke the chain, and I'd left my bike out, and it got rusted. So basically, I keep it in my garage now when I'm not riding it. I have a Freestyle Chaos. I have a Camp Freestyle Chaos bike. And it's actually really good for cruising. Like, you can hear the sprocket. So I can't hear like that, but ready? Yeah, pretty good bike. I recommend it to tell you people, but honestly, if you could get any bike, I would recommend a what is it called? Arcade. Let me think about it for a second. But Sprocket's pretty good. Lasts for a long time. It's pretty good. It's actually a pretty fast bike. See, look at that. It's not the best bike, but it's not the worst bike either. Like, it's a good bike. But kickstand on it's pretty strong. It's called, that one bike that I recommend is an Arcade We the People bike. It's actually really good bike. I recommend it to all you people out there that do BMX. Great bike. Well, that's it. If you guys want anything else, just tell me. I'm probably gonna end up taking off my brakes soon. Maybe get some new grips and install them. Take off my back brakes, stuff like that. Well, that's it.